We're gonna do some eye exercises today. We are gonna do clocks. They're a little different than eye push-ups, which maybe you've been doing with me, but today we're gonna do clocks. So we're gonna pretend like our whole body is a big clock. So up above, if we looked way up, we'd be looking at the top of the clock at 12 o'clock. If we look down, we're gonna be looking at 6 o'clock. If we look to the side, it will either be 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock. So we are gonna be a giant clock. So I have some pieces of paper that have the times on them. So here's my clock. So 12 o'clock, like I said, is up, 6 o'clock is down, 3 o'clock is over, and 9 o'clock is over the other way. So I have some cards. I just wrote down on pieces of paper some times, and I'm just gonna randomly pick a time for us, and then we are gonna look in that direction. So here it goes. I will hold up the clock so you can look at my clock and see what time it is. It's 12 o'clock. So I put an arrow on there. We're gonna look up at 12 o'clock. Put your eyes up to the ceiling as far as you can, and we're gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then bring your eyes down. I did tip my head a little bit, but you really want to move your eyes as much as possible and not just your head. Next one, 6 o'clock. That one goes down. My little arrow right here points down. So we're going to keep our head still. We're just going to take our eyes and we're going to look down as far as we can. Look way down to your toes at 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep looking down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. You can look back at me. Let's see. Let's try another one. So our next one says 3 o'clock and our arrow is pointing that way. There is our 3 o'clock right here. So we're going to pretend our head is our clock, and we're going to just move our eyes, not our head, and we're going to look at 3 o'clock. So look as far over to the side as you can, and we're going to count to 10 and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. We have one more clock climber left. 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock is right here. My arrow says we're going this way. We're gonna look this way. So again, don't turn your head, just turn your eyes. You're gonna look as far over as you can at 9 o'clock. So turn your eyes over to 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. And on your own, you can do this, or you can right now run through the clock with me. We're gonna start at 12 o'clock, go to 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and see if you can get your eyes to go in each direction. Have someone else watch you and let you know if it looks like your eyes are really moving. Good job.